Assistant Professor at CGC Landra, College of Pharmacy. Then now today our topic is stereochemistry. Stereochemistry. First of all, we have to discuss the table of content that we have discovered today. That is introduction to isomerism, types of isomerism, including structural isomerism, chain isomerism, position, functional, and stereoisomerism and geometrical isomerism. And last one is the application or importance of isomerism. Next one is the introduction to isomerism. What is isomerism? Isomerism is the phenomena where compounds have the same molecular formula but different structure formula or different structural arrangement is known as isomerism, and these different compounds exist in different forms are known as the isomers. Next is the types of isomerism. What is type of isomerism? Isomerism is broadly classified into two classifications, that is structural isomerism and stereoisomerism. Structural isomerism is further classified into 5 types: chain isomerism, position, functional, meta and tautomerism. Next one is the stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is further classified into 2 major classifications, that is configurational isomerism and conformational isomerism. Configuration is further divided into main broad 2 classes that we have further discussed, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. First one, we are starting with the structural isomerism. What is structural isomerism? As from the name, we enclose that there is a difference in someone, there is structure, that is structural isomerism. Structural isomerism is also known as constitutional isomerism, and structural isomerism arises when a molecule can be represented into 2 or more than 2 different structures. The difference in structure is due to the difference in the arrangement of the atoms within the molecules, irrespective to their position or space. That is known as structural isomerism. For example, if we consider the example of butane, there is 2 examples of butane, that is molecular formula of butane is C4H10, and if we are classified it in under the classification of structural isomerism, then butane can be write as N-butane and isobutane. If we are seeing that there is a difference in structure but the molecular formula is the same, this is known as the structural isomerism. Next one is the chain isomerism. Because structural isomerism is further classified into 5 types as we discussed earlier, the first further classification is the chain isomerism. Chain isomers are those isomers having difference in the order of in which the carbon atoms are bonded to each other. That is, carbon atom bonded to each other means there the difference in the chain, numbering of the chain atoms. For example, we consider the example of butane. We are writing the butane as N-butane and isobutane. Here we are seeing that butane, in N-butane there is this chain is the straight chain considering the 4 carbon atom in the one chain, and in the isobutane the 3 carbon atom and 4th carbon atom is attached with the center atom. This is known as isobutane, and the molecular formula is same but the structure or in there is a difference in chain, that is known as chain isomerism. Next is the functional isomerism. Functional isomerism is that isomerism in which there is a same molecular formula but there is a difference in their functional group position, that is function group attached to 1 carbon, 2nd carbon, 3rd carbon or irrespective. For example, there is a ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether. In ethyl alcohol, the alcohol group, OH group, functional group is attached to the 2nd carbon, that is CH3CH2OH, and in the dimethyl ether the O group is in the center, and if we are counting the numbering and the molecular formula of ethyl alcohol and dimethyl ether is the same but there is a difference in the functional, that is known as function isomerism. Next is the position isomerism. 2 or more than 2 molecules, those having same molecular formula but having difference in the position of functional group, there is a difference, we are considering the position isomerism. Now we are discussing about the position of the functional group. The position of the functional group or carbon bonded atoms, that is double bond or triple bond. Now in example, there is 1 butene and 2 butene. In 1 butene, the double bond is in the first and second carbon, the last carbon between the last two carbons, and 2 between there is the double bond in between the 2 and 2 both side carbon. That is known as there is a difference of position of double bond. This is known as position isomerism. Next is the metamerism. Two or more than two more molecules, those having same molecular formula and functional group but having difference in the distribution of carbon atom on either side of functional group. Now we are discussing about the metamerism, that is key difference in the position of carbons in between the functional group. That is known as metamerism. For example, there is example of diethyl ether, methyl propyl ether and isopropyl methyl ether. If we are seeing that the molecular formula of all three, diethyl ether, methyl propyl ether and isopropyl methyl ether is the same, but there is a difference in the number of carbon around the functional group. In the first one, the carbon atom between the functional group is 2 and 2. In methyl propyl ether, the functional group right hand side there is 1 carbon and in the left side there is 3 carbon. This is known as metamerism. Next is tautomerism. This is a special kind of isomerism where both the isomers are interconvertible and always exist in a dynamic equilibrium state to each other. This is known as tautomerism. Due to their interconversions, change in functional group takes place that gives two different isomers of an organic compound. For example, acetone exists in tautomeric equilibrium with prop 1 in 2-ol. That is keto form and enol form of acetone. This is known as the tautomerism. Next is the stereoisomerism. That is further classification is stereoisomerism. Stereoisomerism is arise due to difference in arrangement of atoms or groups in space. When two or more than two isomers have the same structural formula but having difference in arrangement of atoms in space. In space means there is a 3D space of the atom. When we are seeing the carbon having the 4 atom attached to the, but when we seeing it in a 2D space, we are just seeing the 3 atom. But if we are seeing in the 3D space, that is known as the spatial arrangement of the atom. That is known as stereoisomerism. And stereoisomerism are further classified into two major classifications, that is geometrical isomerism and optical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism. Geometrical isomerism is generally observed in alkanes and cyclic compounds. The rotation and geometrical isomerism is the arrangement or is the rotation about a double bond in alkane about a single bond in a cyclic ring. It is not possible to rotate the molecule about carbon-carbon bond. In some, geometrical isomerism is shown by various groups of compounds. The major class of compounds that exhibit geometrical isomerism are classified as compounds having double bond or compounds having a cyclic compounds. Next is the optical isomerism. This is a special class of isomerism or stereoisomerism where the organic compound, in our chemistry there is organic compounds exhibit a property that rotate our plane polarized light. What is plane polarized light? That is plane polarized light in the, when we are compound, say organic compound, and in front of plane polarized light, if plane polarized light pass through the compound and it rotates, that is known as isomerism or optical active or optical rotation. And if the compound is rotate our plane polarized light to right side, that is known as dextrorotatory, and if rotate our light to the left side, that is known as levorotatory. And the instrument used for measuring the optical activity is known as the polarimeter. This is a schematic diagram of the simple polarimeter where the compound is placed light source, normal light, Then it is a polarizer which convert normal light into plane polarized light, and there is a sample which convert or which rotate our plane polarized light. This is known as optical isomerism. And the last one is the importance of isomerism in chemistry. There is an isomers help in understanding the physical and chemical properties of substances. Isomers play a crucial role in the study of biochemistry. Isomers are essential in drug discovery and development, and isomers help in the developing of new material. Thank you.